is power supply, the continuous power supply, a major reason why IT industries are not coming to Goa?
Uh, See, I wouldn't blame on the power exactly at this point, because if you compare to other states, at least Goa is one of the state which is much better with respect to power supplies, because I know Punyak, Mumbai, Bangalore, they have this load sheddings and हे ते असता जे आमच्या गोंयान चड ना. However, sometimes when it of course gets disrupted, we really do not know, or we do not have a clue परती केन्ना येतली ती. That is also another factor. कित्याक की बँगलोराक समज लोड शेडिंग जाता की बाबा तो म्हणटा की आज इतल्यांक वतली इतल्यांक येतली, ती इतल्यांक वता इतल्यांक येता, बट आमच्या गोंयान समज झप्प गेली जाल्यार कितल्यांक येतली ती कळना. दॅट इज 100% आय वूड एक्सेप्ट दॅट फॅक्ट. बट इफ यू आस्क मी, ते सहजा झप्प करून जायना. एंड for me, when you talk about startups, and when you talk about power affecting the startups, it would only be in times of crisis. In times of crisis, where we would have to really make sure ki baba आमी आज रातचे आमकां डिलिव्हरी आसा, आनी आज रातचे कशें तरी आमकां ही इंटरनेट, आज समज लायट ना, हें ना तें ना, जाल्यार आमी आमची डिलिव्हरी कशी जातली. वेन आय से डिलिव्हरी, आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलप करून ती ताजी डिलिव्हरी आसता, दॅट डिलिव्हरी. To also handle these power issues and to make sure that we are sufficing on a better note, the IT policy and the startup policy of the state, which is one of the best policies in the country, is also giving subsidies on solar. कळ्ळें. सो सोलर पावर इज समथींग वीच तूं समज इन्वेस्ट करता तातूंत, जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंट इज गिवींग यू अ 50% or something subsidy on the investment what you have done. So that is a bit of a relaxation which government has come from their side, if at all they have been able to match up on their side. However, I'm again, solar investment इन द बिगिनींग, मागीर रिइंबर्समेंट येतले ते वेगळे, पूण जे इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट जे आसता ते वरून सांग तशें बारीक बारीक कंपनीजांक जमतले इतलो इन्वेस्टमेंट सहजा स्टार्टिंगाक घालपाक. से एकदां तुका 10 लाखाची इन्वेस्टमेंट घालची पडटा, तो म्हणटा आपल्याक 10 लाख पयलीं जाय पडटा लोकांक पगार दिवपा खातीर, आतां 10 लाख ते सोलराचेर कसो घालतलो इज ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन. सो दॅट इज वाय देर आर दीस चॅलेंजीस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू what these startups will face, because it's always the cash crunch which is there at any point of time for a startup.